Hey guys, it's your girl Gigi here to give you that 5-minute review of the Zumba Makes Me Shine sweatpants. Hey everyone, for more content, like, click, and subscribe. So I love when Zumba comes out with something new and unique, especially a sweatpant. So these are the descriptions for the Zumba Makes Me Shine sweatpants. It's an all-over metallic print, ultra soft French terry fabric, front side pockets, encased elastic waistband, encased elastic at leg opening, oversized fit, long length. The Zumba Makes Me Shine sweatpants didn't get very good reviews on the website. On Zumba.com it only came in at a 2.7, so a lot of the customers weren't happy with this pant. But I said, you know what, let me take a look at it for myself. I really like the gold print over the black. It stands out, it's bright, it's shiny, it's a little something different. So the pant itself, it does not have a drawstring. In my personal opinion, it's very large. There's nothing to hold the pants up. There is a stretch band at the waist. There are also encased elastic bands at the leg opening. This was a slight miss. Zumba could have really hit the mark with these pants. The pants itself, they're nice, the color's good, the fabric is awesome. It's made out of a cotton, but unlike other pants that Zumba has made in the past, it's very thick. It's a thick type of sweatpants, kind of like the one that you would buy at Walmart. It's not really thin like some of the other pants that Zumba has made before in the past. These are the type of pants where you have to know your size. We all know that Zumba had different types of sizes within their sweatpants. For me, when I order Zumba clothing, I always get a size large just to be safe. There have been some times where I have ordered a size extra large, or they call it lovely or extra lovely. And a large in, say, a pair of tights is not a large in a pair of sweatpants. I'm not sure if Zumba has different manufacturers, but you never can be too sure with the size, even if you do always go to the same size, such as a large or a medium or a small. And not to mention, as fitness instructors and also, people who love to go to Zumba classes, we're always exercising, so our weight changes anyway. One season you might be wearing a size medium, and the next season you're wearing smalls, and then you get small from something online and you're like, shoot, this doesn't fit. I would have really liked to seen Zumba put drawstrings in these pants, but I do think these are way better compared to some of the other sweatpants that Zumba has made. I remember in the past, Zumba really didn't include sweatpants, the terry type sweatpants with encased elastics at the leg opening. Just recently, I think maybe in the past several years, Zumba has actually included this. I think if Zumba would have had drawstrings in these sweatpants, this would have been a nice pair of go-to sweatpants. This would have been a big hit. A lot of people say they love the color just from looking at the reviews, but not too many people are happy with the overall total construction of the pants. If you're not sure about your size, or if you're not sure about the size that you wear within Zumba clothing, I wouldn't recommend these pants because they do not have the drawstring. So if you do end up buying a pair of the Zumba Makes Me Shine sweatpants and they don't fit, you don't have that option to pull the pants in tighter, and you would have to get them altered. But if you're comfortable with your size and you know what size you wear and you know what size you wear in Zumba clothing, I would definitely get these pants. It has a great look to it. It's something that gives it that same type of vibe that we used to have with the cargo pants back in the day. I really like these pants. These are my personal opinions. I have not been paid to give this review, and I'm not influenced by anybody. This is just how I feel and what I think. So tell me what you think in the comments below. Thanks for watching. For more content, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on those notifications.